Let me show you how you can change the page color in Apple numbers for your Mac. First thing to do in your spreadsheet is to click outside, so be sure nothing's selected. Then you will simply see the background color here in the format section on the right. This way you can quickly change it. Of course, some elements may have their own backdrop color. So if I select this chart here, I will be able to modify the color just for this chart. Be sure the chart formatting is selected, head to background, and from here you can set up a separate color fill just for this area. Same for your table here. The best way of doing that for table is to select all of the cells in the range, go to the cell, and this way you can change the fill color for multiple cells in one click. Let's make them dark red. Here it is. Alright, so that's how you can change colors of different elements. The most important one is the backdrop around everything. So just be sure you click outside, and then you can select the color for that. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.